Hey, fourth graders, happy Monday off. I'm still sending you our Monday morning meeting just so that you have it so you know what's coming up this week. All right, good morning. If you would like to pause this and pick out some to practice for next Monday morning meeting, you can. Bonjour, buongiorno, bom dia, buenos dias, guten morgen, dobre rano. I don't know what languages some of those are, but you can still try. You can always Google and see which one it is. All right, so make sure, what is this? There you go. Whenever you come to class, make sure you're prepared to work. If it's math, you know you're going to need your whiteboard and possibly your math book, right? Make sure that your microphone is muted if it doesn't automatically have it muted. Turn on your camera. I want to make sure that I can see you. And remember, the chat is used for academic purposes. Don't just flood the chat with spam or off-topic things, okay? Birthdays that are coming up. We have Miss Justine. It is her birthday on Monday, so we'll wish her a happy birthday on Tuesday when we see her, but happy birthday, Justine. Joseph's already passed, same with Nicolette. And so coming up, we have Layla's on the 26th, and Liliana and Sophia's already passed as well. Happy birthday, happy birthday. All right, what are you learning this week? So I need you to make sure you listen to this part, because for ELA, you're going to have a reading project that you get to choose. And we'll go over that in just a moment on the next slide. Division with remainders is what we're doing in math. So before there were no remainders, and now we're going to have a remainder. Okay. Science, cycles in the environment, history, conquistadors, art, animals with expression. Okay. So this week you're going to choose a project for ELA. You're going to choose from one of the books in the library. You're going to click on breakthroughs, and this is where you're going to get a book from. They are all found in Big Universe. Where are they found? Big Universe. So under your quick links is right where you're going to find Big Universe, okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and happy reading. So you're probably wondering, what project are you going to do? So what is one invention the world can't go another day without? So you're going to pick one of those books, and you're going to create one of the following. You're going to share a sales pitch. You're going to build a prototype. So make sure that you're looking at those, and you're going to choose that breakthrough, okay? Here it goes. In the OLS, it's going to give you more details on each one so you know exactly what's expected of you, okay? All right. This week we will have our small groups, so please look at your daily plan. Our homeroom times have changed as well. So since there's so many issues with neuros, I am splitting up our homeroom into 2 classes. So some of you are going to be at 9 a.m. and some of you are going to be at 9:45. Okay, so homeroom is going to be 30 minutes, and then that other 15 minutes we'll spend for reteach. Okay. So check your daily plan, because your homeroom time may have changed. And then your new small group times are there. If you do not have a small group time and you're like, I need small group, I want to be in a small group, please send me an email and I can always find some small group to put you in. Okay. All right. Lastly, make sure, if you are like, man, I don't know how to do division with remainders, go and check your pathways. I used to send them out. I don't send them out anymore. They are on our Weebly. We send out the Weeblies every week in your Friday update. So just click the link there, and then you can find all kinds of resources to help you learn and get better. And then also I sent out last week the Zoom room link for tutoring and help, and it's available from 9 to 12. So if you are stuck on an assignment, you've tried the quiz several times and you can't seem to pass it, go to that Zoom room, get that help. Teachers are in there to help you out. Okay? All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy your Monday off. Bye, everybody.